G'day junkers, another teardown. How are we all feeling? This is the Breville, it's called the original, model number BTS200, obviously Australian version. Quite a big receptacle, I don't know what you bloody will call it. Anyway, let's have a look on what's inside. I don't imagine there'll be too many surprises. Just be careful of that spring there. Looks like quite a weak spring, but unusually it didn't go flying out everywhere. Temperature controller there, ready lights, really good coverage on the element. Base seems a bit more tricky. Okay, that's a Torx 10. That's a surprise. An actual genuine connector. That is very off the shelf. Now take note of the wire: blue, red, yellow, also green. They're different to those ones. I think I might be missing some rubber feet, but for the price I paid, nice and filthy, which is not too bad. Thermal fuse there. Clean it up and put it back together after this. But I won't take that out because they're a bloody hassle to get back in. I think you get the picture. if you're ever wondering what was inside a Breville, it's kind of a modern Breville. So like, subscribe, and have fun scrapping. Bye.